I'm Cheryl Brown, Support Services Manager here at Meningitis Now.
And I'm Dawn. I'm the Community Support Officer for the South West, South Wales and Midlands.
We're here today to discuss the launch of our really exciting Rebuilding Futures Fund. People can apply from today as well, and we're really excited about it. So the fund is a programme of financial support, so that's to support people who've been directly or indirectly impacted by meningitis. They can apply to have emotional support, practical support, and a little bit of financial support that will be a helping hand towards hopefully a brighter future. So the Rebuilding Futures Fund is applicable for anybody who's been impacted by meningitis, so anyone of any age within the UK, but it also includes immediate family members as well, and it helps also those people that have been bereaved and their families too. In terms of what people can apply for, it's included within the Rebuilding Futures Fund opportunities, so that could be things like retraining, educational support, items and equipment that will help, technical items that will help them with their learning. It can also include bereavement support, so that includes things like contributions towards Headstones, funeral costs, and also bereavement counselling. Health and wellbeing, so that will include things like counselling, creative therapies for children. The fourth category is aids and equipment, and that covers things like wheelchairs, mobility vehicles, and also equipment for everyday living.
I hope that this will make a very big difference to those that I'm supporting as a community support officer. I hear all the time the financial impact of a meningitis experience can be very tough, so I'm really excited that we're broadening the scope, complementing our current support offer, and I think it will make a great deal of difference. People can apply to the Rebuilding Futures Fund via their helpline or via a community support officer if you're in touch with one, either which way.
So the awards are up to and including contributions of £1,000, and it's one application per person per year, and that can be anybody within the family. If you know somebody who could benefit from the Rebuilding Futures Fund, we would encourage them to call our helpline, have that initial conversation, and we really hope that people will benefit from this type of support financially, and that people can face the future with more hope and confidence.